So ladies and gentlemen, so we try to find the slope and the y-intercept and then use them to graph the equation. And the equation that we have is 5x plus 3y equals to 18. So for us to be able to detect or to derive slope and y-intercept, we need to know that we have to put our equation into this format, the y equals to mx plus b, which is the slope-intercept form. And the slope-intercept form where m is the slope and then y is the y-intercept, okay? So if we take that equation here, 5x plus 3y equals to 18, we got to put it into this format here. So let's go for it, all right? So the first thing we got to do, since we're looking for y, is to get rid of 5x, both sides, all right? Whatever you do on one side, do the same thing on the other side, right? So we end up with 3y equals to negative 5x plus 18, because remember, you cannot combine these two together because this one is a variable and this one is a whole number. So you cannot add or subtract them up. Now, we finished? No, because what are we solving for? Y. We want y by itself. So that means we got to divide everybody by 3. Everybody. All right? So everybody. So this will give us what? Y equals to what? Negative 5 over 3x. Can we reduce negative 5 over 3? Is there any number that can reduce that? No, right? So we keep it as negative 5 over 3x. And then what is 18 divided by 3? 18 divided by 3 is going to give us positive 6. Okay? That will give us positive 6. And then what's going to happen after that? So now we got to derive the slope, which is then negative 5 over 3, right? Negative 5, that's the m. And then the y-intercept, which is usually 0 as x and then 6 as the number there. So it's 0, 6. So it's usually 0 and then the number associated with it. So this is the slope and this is the y-intercept. All right? Now, the next move is to be able to do what? To graph it. So to graph it, we need what? Points. To graph any linear equation like this, we need points. And the first point is always going to be our y-intercept, which is 0, 6. So we go 0, 6, so 1. So that's the y value, correct? On the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our first point. And now we're going to use the slope in order to get to the next point. So what is the value on the top here? Negative 5. And the bottom one is 3. So the number on the top here is a y value. Because if you guys remember, the slope is usually what? M is usually y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. If you guys remember that, right? So that's a y value. So because that's a y value, we're going to still move on the y-axis. That's the reason why I'm doing that. So, and this one is a negative 5. So that means we're going down. If we were to be positive 5, we'll be going up. Okay? So we're going 5 times down. So that from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go over to the right side, 3, because the bottom number is an x value. So x value is on the horizontal line. So we go 1, 2, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. That will be our second point. And from our second point, we have our line, ladies and gentlemen. So we finish with our line, which is a bit crooked here, but we got it, okay? So this is the line, and the equation, the name of the line is 5x plus 3y equals to 18. Usually we keep the original equation as the name of the line. All right? So this is it. We're done. Finish.